Once again, try to understand. In the question number 4, it is given that one side of triangle is 18 centimeter. So let this is A equal to 18 centimeter, and other side is given that 10 centimeter. So we let B equal to 10 centimeter. You can interchange also. You can let A equal to 10 centimeter and B equal to 18 centimeter, no problem. And the C equal means third side is not given, so we take let this is the required. Okay, otherwise you can see that C equal to 18 centimeter and A equal to 10 centimeter and B is required, or you can write that A is required, BC is given. Anything you can write out of these three sides. तीन साइड में से आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, because here side is not defined. Two side is given, तो दोनों में से कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. And the perimeter is given that 42 centimeter, and perimeter is denoted by 2s. S is the semi perimeter. So you never write here s equal to 42. You will write here s equal 2s equal to 42 centimeter. So according to the formula of perimeter, since you know that 2s equal to a plus b plus c, means perimeter of a triangle equal to sum of all three sides, that is a plus b plus c, and put the all values which you know, that is 2s equal to 42 and a equal to 18 and b equal to 10 and c is required. So now 18 and 10 28. So transpose 28 to left side, you will get equal to c, that's 14 equal to c, means you can write it as c equal to 14 and the unit is always same, that is centimeter. Okay, now you can find the area by using the Heron's formula, and you know that the Heron's formula is, now this is there under root s minus a, and put all the values here one by one. So you will get this is 49. Since 2s equal to 42, therefore s equal to 21, and now you will put here all the values, that is 21 and 21 minus 18 and 21 minus b is 10 and 21 c, just you find here 14. So after subtraction you will get here just like that, that is 21 is same to same, but you will write under the 21 into 3 into 11. Yes, correct. And you can factorize this 21 as 7 into 3. And this 3 is same to same, and this 7 is same to same, and this 11 is same to same. So you can this is the pair. Yes, dear. So you can take 7 and 3 as out of these roots, and 11 is just here. So 21 under root 11 square centimeter. So this is the answer of this question. इस तरह से हम आसानी से इस क्वेश्चन को फाइंड कर लेंगे. यहाँ पे एक ही प्रॉब्लम थी कि यहाँ पे C नहीं दिया था, तो सबसे पहले हमें C फाइंड करना है और उसके बाद S is 21, and now you put all the values, then you will get the area of triangle. तो आप जो first of all, we will write here let a equal to 12x, b equal to 17x, and c equal to 25x when the ratios of sides are given 12 is to 17 is to 25, and the perimeter of this triangle is given that 2s equal to 540 and requirement to find the area of triangle. So first of all you will write here, since 2s equal to a plus b plus c, that is 540 equal to 12x plus 17x plus 25x. So dear, this is 54x and this is 540. Now here x equal to, you can find 540 divided by 54, that is 10. And now you can find the all side equal to 12 into x. So 12 into 10, that is 120, and b equal to 17 into 10, that is 170, and c equal to this is 25 into 10, that is 250. And here s equal to how much? And s equal to 540 divided by 2. That is how much?
270.
2 banja 2. 270 centimeter. Now you put these value in the Heron's formula, and you know that since area of triangle, that is under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, and now substitute all the values and you can find the answer of this question. आप सभी वैल्यू फाइंड कर लो और आंसर पता कर लो.